Cek jelas atau enggak ya, cek. Cek. Cek baby cek. Oke, iya. Kita main game offline dulu guys ya. Game yang katanya bagus banget ya. Tapi untuk spek kentang kayak gua nggak bagus sih. Kentang, sangat kentang. The fuck? Kok bentar. Nih wala cok. Kirain savean gua hilang anjir. Sumpah. Gua kira savean gua hilang dong. Gimana ya? Gimana guys ya? Bingung juga nih gua. Hmm, mm, mm, mm. Guys, tolong bantu jawab guys. Ini alangkah baiknya dari ulang atau bagaimana? Saya bingung.
How are you? I'm okay. Another wonderful day.
Anjing sumpah bingung. Bingung pakai banget. Bingung guys ya.
Herr Morgan?
Hi, Arthur.
Oh, hello, Arthur.
Turu dulu dek. Turu dek. Grafik. Ini sudah low semua ya bangsat. Screen tip ambient occlusion nggak tahu. Medium. Cuma ada medium cuk. Medium aja lah. Tapi kok seperti berat banget ya? Low. Oh makanan banyak guys.
Another day.
Udahlah, dari ulang ayo, dari ulang lu. Ini udah di save kan? Jangan bilang belum di save. Gua gedik belum di save. Oke, sudah di save. Kita new game. America was becoming a land of law. Amerika jadi negara hukum. Even the West had most been them. Apa sih di sana? Bentar. Rockstar Games. Red Dead Redemption.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Chapter 1 Coulter. Baca apa? Coulter, Solter, Cholter.
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them.
And this?
Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen.
listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't
Kita selamat
nobody
sekarang ya.
following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on,
Kita
Arthur.
belum selesai.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet. So, they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We miss you.
Apa yang terjadi
That's
di
what
kapal?
happened.
Karena kan kita nggak tahu apa yang terjadi di
Hey.
kapal.
You need horses? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you
Gila,
strong.
keren banget nih untuk ukuran grafik low.
Come on, let's go.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
Agak patah-patah guys ya.
Bridge coming up. Take it easy. Hey, move up alongside me. Can't see you back there.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
Emang paling kuat ini Arthur Shelby ini paling kuat.
Someone coming towards us. You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
Apa anjir maju gua?
Passing you.
Okay, go.
Emang lemah orang ini, Cuk.
You sure about this, Micah?
Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else?
Old mining camp, back up the hill.
Huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed.
Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy.
That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. You think it's unreasonable to expect others to do the same?
So, this house.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Anjrit, nyawa tinggal dikit.
Let's hitch up here. Whoa.
Tutorial yang sangat keren ya guys ya.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm.
Wah,
Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur.
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem.
apa tuh?
There's a corpse right here.
Mayat, Mac.
Arthur,
Mayat.
Cans of food
in
or something.
Pistol.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
I think you should go now, buddy.
bitch got me. There's another one shooting from the window.
Look around! You sons of bitches!
Musuh.
One of them's making a run for it! Arthur!
I said I'd handle this.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food,
Apa ini?
medicine,
R.
whiskey.
Ambil lah. Namanya ngerampok ya, ambil semua.
I don't believe it.
Oh, Driscoll.
Strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Makan, Cuk. Oke.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Looting.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Apaan ini? Classic Odd Cartons, nggak tahu.
Keep searching while I pack these on the horses.
Apa nih?
Poor bastard was married too.
Foto yang punya rumah.
Here when you're done.
Tak dulu lah. Disuruh looting ya looting. Kok? Apa tuh? Bentar guys, nggak bener setting. Maksudnya kadang keluar loh. Apaan ini? Gelap banget sih layarku. Ini gila. Red Dead Redemption, game tahun 2018 yang lagi cakep-cakepnya nih. Era game lagi bagusnya. Udah guys, nggak ada guys. Ada. Daging asin. Ngap, sabar.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin.
Gudang
See what we
belakang.
missed.
Sure.
Ada apa nih di peternakan? Ini gue masih belum tahu sih guys. Di
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
matiin kali ya, soalnya banyak yang jalan ceritanya nggak dimatiin dia.
No, not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here? We're fixing to rob some train.
Oh, dia
Gonna
mau
blow the tracks.
ngerampok
No, I don't
kereta.
know more than that, I swear.
Nggak lebih dari itu.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know if
Cok, kita matiin. Apakah jalan ceritanya bakal beda? Soalnya banyak yang bilang, banyak yang nyelamatin dia. Kita matiin dia aja lah ya. Gila.
good boy.
Menggiring kuda.
Is that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
Apaan nih? Oh.
Micah, what the hell do you think?
Apaan tuh?
Oh, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, kebakar.
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago.
Kedatang 3 hari lalu. Dan suami gua.
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. You ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food.
Kita menemukan sebuah suplai makanan dan dia tuh nggak sadar makanan itu dari rumah cewek ini, bangsat emang. Dia tuh literally ngerampok, cuy. Ngerampok dengan gaya nih.
Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Autosave already contains autosave letting joy. Save it on. Do you want to overwrite the data this slot on the current game progress? No. Daripada kehapus data aing. Are you sure autosaving will be turned off? Yes. Autosaving is turn autosaving back on, access autosave under general thing. Oh yeah.
He ain't
Gila,
been seen in days.
cakep
Mother
banget
ain't let
emang.
up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
He
again.
ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Ini banyak yang bilang Johnnya dari RDR 1 ya, cuma gua kan nggak main ya.
Yeah, we're pretty worried.
Jadi nggak tahu lah gimana ke depannya.
The situation were reversed.
Kita coba aja jalanin misinya.
He looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Gila, manusia mana yang tahan hidup di salju kayak gini anjing? Antartika loh ya. Mungkin. Gila, cakep banget emang. Low loh ini low, grafik low ya. Sebagus ini loh low-nya.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river. Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's
Horse
John?
health display
You tell me.
lower. Oh,
These are horse tracks for sure, but
oke.
could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
Wih, layarnya gelap-gelap mulu. Sat,
You were there,
gak
Javier.
jelas.
What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
Cuk. Oh gini, Cuk.
It was crazy. Raining bullets. Hey, let's stay on the path. The tracks lead this way, Arthur. Yeah. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left, down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Cinematic look.
Bad business,
Ah, nggak usah.
all right.
Tidak usah. Karena puyeng.
Damn snow's coming in hot again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast. careful, it's getting narrow here.
Udah tahu tempat kayak gini ya, pakai kuda.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that? John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Berceceran pucusnya. Ucusnya berceceran, guys. Halo Om, apa kabar? Halo, baik. Kauri caos tiram.
I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Apa tuh? Approach a saddle.
Grab your shotgun. Come on.
Apa sih? The saddle on your... Stored weapon.
Come on.
Oh. Gila. Ini gimana kalau ada kopit gitu ya di sana? Batu kan jatuh anjing.
It's slippery, be careful.
You sure about this?
Grafiknya keren Om, rata kanan, buset. Ini menghina sih, penghinaan ya.
Okay.
Ini penghinaan sih.
You're telling me.
Ini rata kiri, bau. Emot beku, waduh emang Shelby banget ini. Makan.
Careful. There's a drop here. Careful here.
Ini aku tiba-tiba main sangat kedinginan ya. What the fuck, nggak mungkin nggak percaya kan nih. Low nih. Gue mah nggak bohong, grafik. Lihat tuh, off. Low. Yang high cuma apa nggak tahu nih, nggak bisa diganti. Ininya ganti dong.
Put your head here.
Wih. Ya elah, manual guys jongkoknya.
Okay. Good now.
Watch your step.
Anjir, gitu doang capek anjing, jongkok doang. Astaga.
Slippery.
Stay close to the wall.
Ini nggak ada pedagang apa beli makan minum.
Come on. Come on. That sounds closer now. Come on.
What the fuck, gak mungkin.
We're coming, John.
Anjir, harus makin low semakin burik. Ini low tetap ada anjir. Ya gimana ya? Game keluaran tahun 2018 cuy, udah mulai game-game HD grafik cuy. Ya emang sih GTA 5 bisa dibilang pionirnya, maksudnya game pertama yang sedikit realistis ya, walaupun gua bilang GTA 5 tuh kartunis. Gak lama Rockstar ngeluarin ini kan. Dan kalau lu tahu ini sama GTA 5 mendingan ini, Cuk. Dibilang realistisan RDR ketimbang GTA 5. GTA 5 tuh kartunis kalau kalian sadar. Mendaki gunung, lewati lembah, sungai. Wah gila, cakep sih emang. Nah, cakepnya game ini, gua kan setting low ya di game. Ketika masuk cutscene kayak gini bisa medium, bisa high. Karena kan cutscene itu video, bukan game. Cakep banget. Oh iya, ini yang dari RDR 1.
Freezing. Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Iya.
Come on, compadre. Well, can't go back the way we came.
Masih realistik RDR coy.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Tapi kurang yang diklakson ngikut sih. Dah gila. Enggak. Belum ada ini zaman Fir'aun. Malah zaman sebelum Amerika dibentuk coy ini tuh.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Waduh.
You see that on the ridge?
Ada ganteng-ganteng serigala, guys. The fuck? Nih, ayo melihat orang nggak pernah main game perang nggak? Ayam busuk deh.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur.
Tuh kan, nggak kena kan? Nggak kena, guys. Bodoh emang, nggak pernah main game perang begini. Lo bangsat, kesel juga. Kena lo harusnya. Bangke, gak kena lo. Anjir guys, lawan kakeknya Shelby. Terjadi Arthur Shelby serigala anjay. Terjadi ini anjing film Twilight yang vampir lawan serigala. Enakan pistol nggak sih? Masa ya shotgun?
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Andrit, bagus banget.
Up there, more of them.
Gak kena guys ya, ente banget. Iya anjir.
More coming in on the left. Stay back. Get out of here.
Gak kena guys, emang gak jago nembak cuk.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so. Jesus. You still with us, Marston? Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We'll
Tap,
have some shelter
equip, put away.
now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now
Now this.
Got a hell of a time.
Fine.
Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar. So, freezing,
Bleeding,
starving,
starving.
damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you. Yeah, come on. Let's push on
Ini
and get
adalah
back.
perjalanan ini adalah perjalanan kakek moyangnya Shelby yang sekarang menjadi polisi di kota kita. The fuck. Ya kah? Tercatat ya kan ter. Tapi aku ini sih guys penasaran sama roleplaynya RDR. Coba deh kalian cari. Ada cu. Roleplaynya RDR ada. Nah nanti di roleplaynya RDR kita bikin kakeknya Shelby ya.
We got some help. We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm.
Dah, telat anjing.
Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with
Makan,
Herr
guys.
Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Harus manggil tuan dan nyonya anjir. Iya anjir. Justru lebih RP menurutku. Harus kayak gitu cu, lebih RP.
Been running for weeks.
Biar RP banget gitu daripada
Found shelter.
lu gua ya kan.
Resting here
Keren
in
anjing
some old
tuan
abandoned
nona.
mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Apa nih guys? J explore to view it. J.
Get strong, we get warm.
Oh, map.
Wait.
Map zaman dulu lah, belum ada
Storm
GPS.
breaks, we move.
Ntar guys, toilet dulu guys, kebelet.
But we're safe here. Warm enough.
Tiba-tiba kebelet.
I guess.
You sound doubtful.
Not doubtful, just worried.
We have been shot at before, Hosea. I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
I hope not.
We had a bit of bad luck, but then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit, and we go back to Blackwater, and we get our money, or we get some more money, and we keep heading west.
But we're heading east.
For now. For now. We got this. We're safe. Stay strong, Hosea.
RP-nya sesuai zaman. Iya, bagus malah kalau kayak gitu, cuy. RP sesuai zaman. Bener guys, dikit-dikit harus nge-save anjir. Soalnya auto save-nya gua matiin ya, kakak. Sinilah agak jauhan. Apa nih? Apa sih klasik Miracle Tone? Tidak ada yang berarti guys ya. Lanjut misi lagi lah. Ini si Dats. Dats kalau di orang kita Belanda nih. Gak ada apa-apa. Lo guys. Gak bisa diambil aja. Gas. Wah gila, cahaya ilahi cok. apa dulu nih misinya? Old friend. Oh ini dulu lah, berburu. Bentar dulu dah, ini settingannya kok aneh anjing. Balik lagi dong. Screen space ambient occlusion. Here graphics setting are currently using memory than your system. Dan ya, harusnya udah nih ya. The setting your doesn't require more memory than your system. Everything apply setting. Kok nggak mau anjay di setting teh? Display apa? Kan mau kamera, enggak penting.
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy...
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. And if needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent
Anjing.
Lenny and Bill hunting, and they
Makan
found
lu gendut.
nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun.
Ambil nih, gua nggak bisa makainya. Tapi dibawa-bawa anjing sama dia. Gak bisa makainya tapi dibawa-bawa.
I imagine. All right, let's head out.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
Huh. There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, bringing John back in.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Gila, keren banget sih.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Let's look down this way. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh, stay quiet.
Mana? Stay quiet, nggak ada.
Hey, stop here a second. I see something. Hold. There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not? We'll track them on foot. You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. A gun will scare everything around. Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
Mana anjay?
You see the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Anjir, putih juga lagi warnanya.
You'll be able to track nearly as well in grass and woods.
Kan bingung ya beda nama salju tracknya. Oh itu guys.
Shh. Down there. You see him? Are you ready with that bow? Try to hit him in the neck or head. Nice.
Kena, mampus.
You can get another one.
Mana deui anjing rusannya teh? Oh, ke sana. itu, guys. Mampus.
I think that's all we can carry. Okay, you pick up one, I'll get
Apa Mas Fuad ganteng.
okay. It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder. Okay. Grab the other one.
Your horse will respond your call along to range. Oh, jangkauan. Jangkauan kudanya nggak bisa jauh-jauh, guys. Sokin, anjing minum dulu. Anjing nggak bisa minum, Cok. Ngapain di air?
What are you doing? Let's get out of here.
Sabar, Cok. Broken anjing. Minggir lu ngapain anjing?
Come on.
Sini dong, ganteng, manja amat. Nah,
Oh, boy. Ready to head back when you are.
Come on.
makan dulu ganteng. Terus saya turunin dulu, enggak, Cok. Tadi dekat air anjing ruwet.
Let's head back.
Layarnya nggak kedip sih di YouTube anjing.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
Tapi kok kedip ya di layar gua.
I knew you'd
Di
be
in-game.
okay with that bow.
Yeah, it's easier when they ain't shooting
Gila,
back.
berat banget ini game.
Seen enough of that.
Patah-patah, guys, ya. Masih patah-patah sih di situ.
Well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Baru minum, udah, Cok, udah
We should
minum.
be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have...
Awas, apa? Awas. Apa?
You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater?
Meleduk.
We give the good 5 minutes to grab the essentials.
Sampai batu kan gua. Emang sengaja sih bikin meleduk dulu baru beli, Cok.
Good that we caught more
PGA
than
lagi
one.
turun kemarin ngeliat, gua udah ngelis.
That girl from the
Gua bikin
ranch
meleduk
now,
dulu
too.
baru ya kan.
Not sure
Yang
she'll
udah
make
pasti
you
meleduk
much.
sih VGA anjir.
She has a wild look in her
PC gua tuh.
You would too. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
So it was O'Driscoll's you ran into there?
Yeah. Last thing we was expecting.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
Iya, Cok, bangke lah. Lu kalau mau ngerakit mending sekarang dah.
I suppose
Mau nyicil kayak mau enggak,
into them much the last 6
VGA
months.
dulu anjing. VGA gua udah ngelis 1660 Super
Heard a lot of talk about them.
yang 6 giga itu 3.804 juta lah. Kalau kita jalan langsung ke enter komputer.
Nasty sons of bitches. They're leading
Sampai nanya Kempul
all
kemarin, ih nggak ngajak
industrial
sih.
way back.
Main nggak ngajak, parah banget anjing ya.
A proper
Parah.
blood feud.
So I heard. Watch out. Bear up ahead.
Tahan.
Let's see if
Beruang.
we can find another way around.
Anjing leher.
You must be real hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter.
Ucuk. Udahku. Mainnya nggak ngajak, ih parah.
Cut up here, off the trail.
Nanya di WA, Cok. Lo kalau emang mau beli, saran gue ya itu VGA dulu. VGA lagi turun-turunnya 1660 Super 6 giga. Jadi 4 juta tuh gimana ceritanya anjir. Kalau emang lo ada dana lagi 2080 5 juta.
Easy boy. We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that.
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
SSD juga turun cuk. Samsung Evo 500 giga 500 anjing.
Being up here?
Gue udah ngelis.
Sooner or
Nih
later,
jangan sampai aing pinjol nih ya.
nature alive.
Tergiur soalnya lagi murah-murahnya nih nyikat VGA,
You want
SSD.
me to move on?
No. No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
Tap when the form is the move.
This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh ini loncat cuk.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good.
Kalau mau beli ayo gue
How long
anterin.
have you been with these boys?
Gue mau beli SSD juga cok. Bukan apa-apa, gue mau beli SSD juga.
20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Gak usah kuliah lah, kuliah penting cok. Buat lu sih, buat gue mah gak penting. Buat keluarga lu penting. Uangnya gue tilep. Astaga, Fuad.
I'm sure.
Bapak lu nonton, Fuad. Parah banget, Fuad. Gila. Bapak lu nonton, Fuad.
That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horse.
Buru cu, rakit PC lagi murmer-murmernya nih, murah meriah, meledak.
Same with Bill.
Gua ngasih tahu sih daripada ntar-ntaran naik lagi. Udah gatel ini man. Lah yuk, gua anterin. Sekalian gua beli SSD.
I tried to ride the count once.
Uangnya dah di tangan lah, gas. Lu mau ngerakit apa beli jadi? Kalau lu beli jadi, dapat VGA-nya cuma yang 4 giga anjir. Gila, patah-patah anjing. Berat.
I'm gonna hitch time over here.
Tawa lagi.
Brought some food back, boys.
Gila berat banget.
Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. And thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Well.
Oh iya nggak pernah.
Just drop it down in here. What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Tapi 7 masih segitu-gitu aja
You got
harganya.
on just fine.
Ketinggian mau ngapain sih bang? Ngerender bang. Beli Ryzen aja bang kalau mau ngerender mah.
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does. Yes. Seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together. Do I get to skin you? You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burned hand. I'll see you
Bantu
both
gua
later.
ngulitin apaan?
You skin that.
Lu mau ngulitin gua? Goblok anjing.
You dumped on the floor there. Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah, well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
Monster Hunter. Misi lagi guys ya. Berat banget anjir saljunya, Cuk.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked
Old
action.
friend.
Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Kalau lu jatuh mereka semua party.
Probably. That funny, huh? Sure.
Anjing pukul.
I don't feel
Oh.
like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work
Gila,
to do.
ngudut heula,
Come on.
ngudut.
You sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and
Yang lainnya udah tinggal PC doang ini man. Iya, tinggal lu doang. Project, hotel, kimpul udah. Tinggal lu doang dah yang masih puyeng pakai laptop. Tapi kan laptop gaming. Laptop gaming gak ngomong-ngomong.
Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about.
Musuhnya nih, O'Driscoll.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this core of their planet.
Gila. Cakep banget. Hih. Lah kan emang lu doang yang belum. Tapi lu punya laptop gimang ya. Laptop gaming. Tapi belinya nutup-nutupin. Gak ada yang tahu. Cuaks.
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them.
Sana.
As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my idea recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Como Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Hannibal,
I can do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a
Oh,
look.
ada asap.
They said it was near the lake, so we must be close. All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready lah.
Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
Go. Let's go. Turun kah? Ntar lu, Cok. Anjing, senjatanya nggak dibawa. Enggak lagi, bangsat. Widih, gila, ganteng banget.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Nothing something ya. Selain ini.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
Anjir. Digampar nih.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get them?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
Ya guys, meluncur guys.
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse. You two, get up there and keep us covered.
You got it, Dutch.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Maskeran lah.
We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury.
Bawah Cok, kita anjir ngikut
Yeah,
atas.
just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on. It's steep here.
Gila, mustahil banget anjing lewat jalan kayak gini kalau di dunia nyata. Auto kepreset anjing.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Follow me. Let's head for that building in front.
Hey, anybody seen Liam? I think he went hunting with the others. Son of a bitch is meant to be on guard duty.
Kocak banget anjing larinya. Stay low. Runduk. Hold tab to show the weapon wheel using air weapon release. Please release tab to equip. Ini temen kan?
Okay, let's get in cover.
Ready for this job to be done?
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
So we got everything we need. Yep. Combs got
We don't have time to debate this.
you and sort of the dynamite and detonate.
Okay. I'll go first.
How soon? When they give the word.
Ini tembak kah?
Did you hear something then?
Don't think so.
Going crazy up here.
Anjing, enakan pistol, enakan pistol, enakan pistol, enakan pistol. Gila, bisa nggak tuh? Anjing mati begitu loh. Wah gila, bisa gitu nggak tuh? Pro player. Anjing gak kena. Dari mana cuk? Ih, bohong banget masih hidup. Elah bro, mati aja bro. Makan tuh bro. Gila, bisa gitu nggak tuh? Trot langsung.
I think that's all of them. Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them. You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Looting lah anjir. No looting, no party.
About his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun, ride a horse, and kill without thought, you're in. Think how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools.
Hah? Masih ada. Oh, yang dari pohon, Cuk. Mampus. Reload.
What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold ground here or go out? I say we go at the bastards. Come on, man. Everyone with me.
Bah, jadi mana sih? Kurang dewa apa, gila, maju-maju. Anjing, reload. Oh, habis. Looting manja ceria dulu. Nggak boleh ada yang tersisa, anjing. Memperkaya diri dulu ya. Ini kalau ada penghargaan master looting kayak ini menang, anjing. The Master of Looting. Nggak mau. Gua mau looting dulu. Looting is number one. Nggak mau, gua mau looting. Udah amat. Sahabat ya, sahabat. Arthur Shelby, sabar ya. Looting lebih penting daripada kalian.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick! Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go!
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground. Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Cole?
Anjir.
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. It could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Ah!
Anjay, teret 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 itu kan cowboy dulu. Teret 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 teret. Jatuh.
Don't hurt me. You're coming with me. I'm no use to you, really.
Ntar lu guys, angka baiknya kita looting dulu dia. Kita looting dulu. Loot.
So, what you got? Come on, I'm nobody, mister.
Aduh anjing, malam benci banget malam.
Please don't. What's your name, boy? I don't know. You don't know your name? It's Kieran. Kieran what? Duffy. Kieran Duffy. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy. Where are you taking me? Somewhere you ain't gonna like. Why?
What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please!
Gila, bulan purnama cakep banget.
Please, mister!
Bacot lu ya.
Let me go. I'll disappear. I'll go to Mexico.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Have a heart, mister! Oh, I think I'm gonna puke. Just let me go, please.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay, okay.
That's 2 bones right there. Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
O'Driscoll.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got
Hungry
a saying,
first.
my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed them as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Cole.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
A few days later.
It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams.
Ya, saljunya baru ke-spawn anjing, goblok banget.
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here, then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking, we could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea, we're living. Look at me. We're living, even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Apa
Leviticus
pilihannya?
Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a
Siapa
big
mah?
railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Gila, rampok. Besya.
Everyone ready? All right, let's head out. Yeah. God damn it.
Sebentar guys. Arthur Shelby kebelet kencing. Ayo guys, berangkat. Ah, ini enteng nih.
Listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the
Udah nggak ada salju yang berterbangan.
coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Hey!
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep.
Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
Gila. Pelem banget, pelem ya.
Snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Layarnya gimana sih ini settingannya bangsat? Nggak kerubah, tai. Gak mau lu dia.
Yep. Easy. And despacio.
Over there. Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Turun guys.
Okay, boy.
Lihat mana anjir turunnya? Sini kan?
How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Pemantiknya.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Balik.
All right, boy.
Yep. Have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this.
Just be ready to move quick. And remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now. Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go.
Oke. Goblok dah.
Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that moron?
You said it was fine.
My fault. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
Lari.
Here we go!
Woi, goblok. Ya jatuh, all.
I'm slipping! Oh shit! Help! I've got you. Now stop yelling. Arthur, help me!
Angkat.
Okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's how? Yeah.
He fell. The others will get him.
ahead. You want me to take them? Arthur, who's got...
Looting dulu lah. Sibuk amat, Bos.
What's up?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
We moving up?
Gila, keluarga Shelby nih, Dek.
I'm going up. We have to stop this train.
How you doing there?
I'm okay.
Looting.
We don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us.
I know, just stay calm.
Jatuh ya, tolol.
Get him off me!
Ya elah, Dek. Jatuh, Dek. Bodoh, Dek. Bodoh banget, Dek.
Help!
Ya Allah, jatuh lagi, Dek. Oh enggak. Anjir.
Shit, more guards coming out of that.
Better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards.
Gila, bisa gitu nggak?
We need the car at the back, right?
Yep, keep pushing. You okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Oh, shit. Look, they come. Last call. Okay.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Hey! Come aboard!
Come on, clean this up, boys. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why Bill Driscoll brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
Get over here. Nggak looting dulu.
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3,
3, 2,
2, 1. Okay.
These our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Unless you got a
Okay.
death wish. I'd step
Cabut,
back, fellas.
cabut, cabut. Anjay.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake. You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will you? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, the kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's king. I'll give you that. Okay, let's see
Apa nih, guys?
get this open.
Cek ya.
I think I got him.
Nice. Well, thank God. Come on.
Nak aja lu kemon-kemon. Tak dulu lah. Looting dulu, looting.
Just waiting on you, Arthur. Let's hurry this along now.
Namanya ngerampok ya looting lah. Udah nggak ada. Garuda ngap.
What did you find?
Rame kah?
Bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably
Ntar
sell
paling
these
agak
pretty
maleman,
easily. Well done. Now would you
Lagi pengen main RDR cuy. Nggak tahu kenapa.
Get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
Berapa orang sih Garuda cuy?
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on. Move.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Get a move on.
Masuk goblok, tembak. Oke. Ntar dulu, looting dulu. Memperkaya diri adalah kunci ya. Berangkat ya kan, kapan lagi bre ngendalin kereta ya. Oh pantes di jalan ceritanya di DPO dia nggak pakai masker pas lagi kayak gini. Eastward Bound. Gila, saking kentangan nih PC. Baru ke loading aja.
So we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there, no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go.
Prepare
Clean
cabut.
noses and everything else.
Anjir,
You're in that
Johnnya
one.
lemah banget di sini.
Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Anjay, film banget ya kan. Banyak yang bilang GTA 5 paling bagus, enggak, ini paling realistis dan bagus anjing sebenarnya. GTA 5 tuh masih kartunis. Ini low, guys, low, grafik low. Gila sih. Bagus banget anjing.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Gila, udah masuk area hijau. Ah, ini udah nggak berat nih guys ya. Udah mulai entengan.
Get us out the stream. Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Ya, elah bre.
Okay, let's take a look.
Udah dia ngawasin belum di atas? Oh belum cuy.
Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it.
Zaman dulu mah rodanya masih besi atau kayu aja. Sekarang kan udah karet.
You try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Well, say less. Pick the wheel up.
Anjas. Udah.
Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Terakhir tuh ada yang ngawasin di sini. Nah kan, 3 orang tuh.
What do you think? If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland.
Yeah.
So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't. In spite of that, just talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me.
Gila.
Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run.
You know hot doesn't show the flashing. Become too hot, make sure the wear clothes upright. Oh, dia pakai pakaian yang panas.
Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
They'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Isang loading.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow
Huh?
the track for a bit.
Ale.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Gila, camp yang baru.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried.
Pertama,
I ain't got that long, Dutch.
Pertama.
I want folks safe
kalau
before
nggak
I
pertama
go.
kalau mau jalan.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money. And a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there.
Oke, intinya kita selamat di tempat baru, guys ya. Chapter 2, Horseshoe Overlook. A couple weeks later. Ya, mungkin sampai sini dulu guys ya chapter 1-nya. Sekarang udah masuk chapter 2. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton sampai habis. Silahkan subscribe, komen, dan like.